Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will give you the important updates regarding the form filling for regular and backlog students of odd semester. So if you are the students of the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, that is MAKAUT, then this video gonna very important for you guys, because in this video I will talk about the complete detail that how the form will fill up, what are the process and what are the important date that you should keep in mind, guys. Okay. So before moving to the video, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important updates. Okay, so let me talk about the very important notification that is released by the Macau. So you can see clearly here that is the notification released today, and that is the latest, that is 9th November 2022. Reference number already given, means this is the original notice. So what is the detail that they have said? Okay, so notice on form fill up for regular and backlog students for the odd semester examination 2023. You can clearly visualize that. Now, competent authority of the university has decided to conduct end semester odd examination 2023 in offline mode. That I've already said, means this year examination will be held in offline mode. And as the earlier notice that is published, I have already said you regarding that the earlier notice they have published. Okay, so they said that as per notification published earlier for third semester, except BTech and V Pharma, okay, means except BTech and V Pharma students, means for the third year, fifth semester, seventh semester and ninth semester, means for all fifth, seventh and ninth semester regular and backlog students, they are advised to do the form fill up. Means you have to basically fill up the form and give the all credential, guys. Okay, and remember again saying that no any means you have to not basically fill up the form for third semester student. Okay, just for BTech, other such as the IMC and other courses, you have to fill up the form and your examination will be held in December, that I have already said. But for the BTech third semester student, examination will be held in February. Okay, that already I have said. So what are the process that you have to follow? First is the application form would be available in college login. Okay, for the enroll and third semester except BTech and B Pharma, fifth semester, ninth semester. Okay, so if you are the student of fifth, seventh or ninth semester and third semester except BTech, then you have to basically fill up the form regular and backlog in UG and PG program, and that will be available in the college login portal. Okay, on release of the online form by the college, concerned students can submit the application online form from their login. Means simply you have to log in and just you have to submit the form. In case there is problem, then you can also consult your college that I am facing particular issue, guys. Then third point that they have said that upon submission of the form, students will be able to submit their examination fee online. Means for submitting the examination fee, first you have to submit the form, guys, because if you will not submit the form, then obviously examination fee will not be accepted. Okay, so first you have to submit the form, and after that you have to basically fill up or submit their examination fee through the different methods available. In case of non-availability of online payment facility with the students, provision would be available to pay the students by the college as earlier. Means if you have not online facility payment, then you can simply go for the college and do the offline payment. तो आप offline payment भी कर सकते हैं भाई. Point number 4 that they have clearly mentioned that students, means regular and backlog form have to be filled up separately by the students. Means if you are the students of the regular, then you have to fill up the form separately. Means both form are not same. For regular and backlog, these are to be filled separately. Then process of collection of signed form would be taken care by the college, and such form need to be submitted by the university in due course of time. Means this is the basically from the about the college, that college will submit all that thing. Next point number 7, that after submission of the fee, admit card will be generated online in the student login. That I think that you have already got an idea that how form admit card will basically available. So admit card will be available in the login credential, and you can also take out the printout of that. Practical session examination will be held at the respective college, and college concerned will publish schedule inform student this matter. Meant for the practical examination, schedule will be released by the college before December. Okay, and they have already clear mentioned the dates, important date that you have to keep in mind. Next, point number 9, very important, guys, that all theory examination is of full mark 70 and duration is 3 hours. Means exam by आप लोग का total 70 marks होगा, that I think you have already have idea, and 3 hours in the morning, means 10 to 1, and afternoon shift is 2 to 5 p.m. भाई आफ्टरनून में 10 to 1 3 hours का होगा. and session would be held at respective college following guideline already issued in that. Okay, so this will basically in offline mode, and these are the timing 10 to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. guys. Now important date that you have to keep in mind. These are the some important date guys. So what are that? First is the date of form fill up except third semester. Again I'm saying that third semester BTech student only, not all that. Okay, I mean third semester BTech and B Pharma. Okay, so what are the important date? On 16th 11th 2020 means on 16 November commencement of issuance of form by college and submission of application form and fee by the candidate. Means we have to, means basically this process or application will release on 16/11/2022. Sorry, form will be released on 16 November, and on 19th November last date of issuance of form by the college. Means till 19th college will issue the form. On 21 November last date for online submission of the form and fee by the student. Means till up to 21st November we have to submit the form guys. Then 22 November last day for submission of fee online by the college. Means this is the basically 22, means you have to do all that things, submission paper and all things till 21st November guys. आपको भाई 21st November तक कर देना है submit. Then 23/11/2022 tentative date for generation of admit card. Means admit card will be released, and no doubt I will provide you update when the admit card will be released guys. So on 23rd November admit card will be released, and 24 to 30 date of holding practical sessional examination and submission of marks in portal. Means a strong chance है भाई that after CA4 examination your practical examination will be conducted in the college, and these are the date that is basically given to college. Means up to 24 to 30th November practical marks will be submitted. Okay, and 2 to 24, okay, means 2/24 to, means 2 to 24 December ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन, एंड दिस इज द टेंटेटिव डेट्स फॉर द थ्योरी एग्जामिनेशन. मीन्स 2 दिसंबर से भाई आपको 24 दिसंबर तक ऑनलाइन एग्जाम चलेगा. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फी, तो देयर इज नो एनी फी चेंजेस फॉर द ऑल कैंडिडेट्स. फी फॉर ईच कैंडिडेट्स रेगुलर 1200 and for backlog paper 1000. So this is the complete notice I want to share with you. I hope informative to you. Okay, and for any information related to the, means if you are facing any problem, then you can consult with the college or important number will be provided in that. Okay, so this is the complete notice guys. I hope video gonna informative to you. I will also provide link in the description from where you can directly check out this, means this PDF you can get. So for getting some such type of informative updates guys, don't forget to support my channel and keep updated on my channel, so you will get each and every updates. So I hope video gonna informative to you. Don't forget to share with friends so they can also get help from my video. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.